I'm actually nervous about trying it. What if I hate it? What if I hate it?
All right, so this is
Amanda's
recipe, Supernova.
Indeed.
You want to tell us about it?
I don't know, it was kind of like a last minute thing, pretty much. We decided on all the malts and everything over text, 6 hours before we brewed it.
So the idea was to do a double.
Yes.
You want to do a, not milkshake, you wanted to do New England style IPA.
Yes.
You want to do a double, whatever it was. There's going to be a little bit of wheat, oats, lactose. You wanted some honey malts in there.
Yes.
Which is why it's a little bit darker.
That's why it's darker, yeah. I do J-strokes, can't really do J-strokes.
No, you cannot do J-strokes in there. I want to see if Matt can lift this up. What do you think?
Smells amazing.
Think we can dry hop with this one?
Yes, absolutely.
Dry hop deeper with this bad boy? Try this.
I'm honestly really excited about the Zythos though. Like I've never smelled like a hop that I love that much.
Yeah, it really smelled phenomenal. Yeah. Alright, so can we drink it?
Yeah, we can drink it.
First drink. Can we cheers it? Definitely. Alright, cheers. Well done. It smells hoppy.
Ginger. A lot of ginger.
Do you actually hear ginger?
I do. I do too.
Really?
Yeah. You don't?
I get a little bit of it.
I get a lot of ginger.
So
I'm happy that I actually like it though. I like it too.
Yeah. So when we extracted the yeast for this particular batch, you'll recall that we forgot about it.
Indeed.
And I think we were doing a nice little video.
Lauren's presentation was way too interesting and we forgot.
So make sure do only one thing at one time. Do not do 4 things at once.
I'm excited because I was like kind of nervous like going into it, and like last week when we tried it like before it was carbonated and before it was dry hopped, I felt like I was like not as confident, but now I'm like this is really good. Actually, and I'm like excited to like show people this on Friday. Yeah, it's really good. It turned out really well. It's funny because Ian's not going to see it until he's editing the videos.